Ọhaneze Ndị Igbo ikene m unu n'ụbọchị nke taata biko na mmiri enwelo apụtago wee tinye ọnụ na evil atrocities ndị eze nwaanyị na kọmiti otu ile ọnụ ya maka na ndị eze nwaanyị emejugo. O nwere video trend online biko I can't post that video biko I can't post it because channel m nọ under warning biko channel m ka nọ under warning ọ ka nọ under warning. I can't post that video. The woman pụta sị na okechi dia ka dia yale imago ka dia no under her control her nines but not for evil way biko ndị ọcha agọla ya na too much. Ndị ọcha say na enwe white magic and black magic. Ihe ọbụla gafego realm of physical bar spiritual aka ma adị here. Mekwe wuni kechi mmadụ onye ahụ anọzi in his own consciousness onwezi ihe ọ na-emenwu in his own will as a human being. On was under control of a force beyond his control. It's him not for good. Mele nwele we bebe ti ono na ya boku we na asị na ụmụ nwaanyị ndị eze nwaanyị unu emeju na ọ dị ka ọ ga-elugo ọ ga-ya band unu enekere na video ka unu fụ.
O nwere ife melu nji wee pụta live tata. Unu mana mụ adịra pụta mgbe ọbụla. Asị m ka m mee this thing address. Onwe go onye m follow chọrọ ime that this kind thing address. Ekpolo ọnụ wụ ya na-arụ. Mwasị na ọbụgodu na ị chọrọ ịkọ m ọnụ kọba. Ọ bụ na ị chọrọ ịsị m mind your business. As long as Igbo tradition is concerned, it's my business. As long as Igbo tradition is concerned, it's my business. So I am in my business. I am minding my business. Nwanne m nwanyị a na-akpọ Angela Nwosu. Since 2017 ka mụ na ya bụ friends. Since 2017 because many of you just to so be a COVID or maybe give away. Even me inspire nji wee follow by Angela Nwosu. Bumwe. All the too proud. Ijere no na my page na shake ndị niile na follow. Yeah, fear no. Ndị the proud ime tradition. All the too proud ime tradition. Onwere mgbe ọ nọkọtalụ rapụ township ebe ọ nọ jee ofu village nwa. I cannot recall. Mana one village ka ọ je. O ji wee jide staff wee see foto otili ọ dị ka otile na page eden mesịa wepụ ya. O ji one staff n'aka wee see foto. So even the colleague even that in Melo 2017 or so. Obviously 2018. Yes, what they call 2018 or 2019. Because that particular photo. Mana Angela Nwosu bido bulu na akuzi maka Omenala. All the butu engage with tradition. Na agba ndị mmadụ na nya bụ a proud ogbanje, digital ogbanje. That was what inspired me to follow her. And since then, I may follow her. My name is going to fuel mother. I did be a welfare. I don't know welfare. I forgot to say post here. Man, at this very one now. I follow me. Even when you were with the topic, let me just be frankly speaking with you. Or one person, somebody share will tell me that picture. Somebody share me that video. Was it Mumili? This thing not the right. Simodo na the girls not a lady for good purpose. Mweba na the page. Where get some of the thing okulu there. I guess you may say, I been get a baby mbava okuludia na phone. You were well. Mbava no okuludia na phone. Wajoba dia nanya kanya me or kanya me on tie. Well, I am even sensible in that thing. Mana eziokwu bụ na beard ebe ahụ. Most of the people who na-eso Angela Nwosu now bụ ndị ụka. Ndị ụka anụ na-akọbọ tradition. Somebody say must English. Sorry. I will glitches of network mobile on the INEC. Somebody said that I should use English. I am talking about one video that somebody shared to me. One of my daughter shared that video to me, asking me to check that video if this thing is right. So I went through the video this early morning. For what I explained earlier, for those that did not understand it, I started following Angela Nwosu since 2018 or 2017. The thing that inspired me to follow her was because she was very proud of tradition. She called herself a digital Obanje. She is one of the people that brought tradition to the surface before our people, our new SMY that just answered their calls. Angela Nwosu was the first people to start this tradition. Let me just say that she backed off because of when she finally got married. It's like she dropped some certain things. Maybe it's causing problem in her home, and she started channeling it in another way. Well, I'm not against her and whatever thing she is doing. But I know that she says and she accepted it. She called herself digital Obanje and whatever. Then she used to go to the river. She used to do ritual. She used to do prayers for her followers, and she used to receive basbos, not today, from the Christian people. Until she got to the state that she started giving giveaway. Now she started doing giveaway. Those Christian people started following her. I understand. But there are something I need to tell her. She's my sister. She's from Anambra State, Nnewi. I need to advise her. Maybe, some people may be doing something without knowing that the thing is not good, when they did not see anybody to advise them. And I still want to advise our followers too. So many people that has been following her is counting everything she is doing as right. Our people, there's something you will notice in this blue app. When when a group of people is following anybody, whatever thing the person does is right to them. They will protect the person with their life. They will abuse and cause anybody that try to interfere. Anybody that try to say, oh, this thing is not good like this. All the followers, even the person that's supposed to get correction from that thing, will not even comment. The person will realize his or her mistake. But her followers will never see reason with the person that commented that, or the person that tried to correct that very person. They will started attacking. I am ready for the attack because I know some of them will come here today. So, what am I trying to say? When they shared that video to me this morning, I went through the video, and I saw one container that she brought out. She said that she want to lose her husband. Her husband has been complaining that she tied she tied him, and because of that, he could not get side chic or something. Jokingly, I understand that was a prank. She opened the container and brought something out and said that, let me call my husband and ask him if he's going to accept me to untie him. Now, let me clear your doubt. Let me just tell you something. Those things is prank. You know, whenever you monetize your page, the people that monetize your page will tell you to be posting things all the time in your page. Because if you stop posting, that they will demonetize you. That is the reason why so many people is making content from ups and down, here and there, anything that can trend. Even if you abuse them, even if you say any negative things about them, they don't care. Whatever thing that that is important to them is for people to watch the video. Even if you insult them, it's not of their business. They even do video that will carry comment. They do video that will attract comments because they are getting their money. So let me tell you something about that very thing that I just watched. That call was fake call. They planned it. And I will tell you that her husband may be somewhere, maybe in the room, and she was in the sitting room, or she was in the room and the husband was in the sitting room, or outside probably, to answer that call, just to entertain you guys. She said earlier that her husband has been telling her to untie him. And when she decided to untie him, she came to seek for your own opinion as the follower. And she finally concluded that she's going to call her husband to ask her husband if he really meant that she should untie him. And you had the response of the man. No, tell me anything. No, tell me what I will buy so that we will renew it. I know that thing was a scam. She did not tie anything. She did not tie her husband anything. But you, her followers, believed that she tied her husband. And you, her followers, are begging her to teach you. I went through the comment section. Many people is telling her to teach them how to do the same thing. And she was bringing out some certain things. Say that this is bango. My husband used to wear it every Friday or I could not recall. And say this is my husband's picture, and this is my husband's ring, and this is my husband's necklace, and this is my husband this and that. And she tied it, and she was telling you that is for good purpose, that you can never use it for evil. What type of how can you tie somebody for good purpose? I just want to ask you. I want to ask you, her followers. I want to ask you, her followers. How can you tie somebody for fun, for good purpose? I want you to tell me, is that possible? Omenala Bishop, is that possible? Because I know that it will never be possible. Why are you tying me in the first place? And you women that is supporting such thing, I am now asking you, remember that when you shoot football on the wall, what will be the outcome? When you shoot football on the wall, what will be the outcome? The football will bounce back on you. They will tie your son. Somebody will tie your son. Somebody will tie your brother. Remember my Sunday program. I told you that whatever thing you do today, your third generation will reap from it. You are tying somebody against his wish. You are selling blue eye, or whatever. What is that? What is the work of that thing? I want to just correct some people. I know that many insults will come. I know that many people will try to insult me. I know that many people will support her because he's woman. It's their fellow women, so that they will support women. And they cannot, they did not see anything bad on that. Yeah, besides, he's her husband. It's not my business. It's not of anybody's business. If you want to tie your husband, you can tie your husband. I want to tell you that tying your husband will bring a repercussion, will bring something that you are going to reap. And your daughters is going to reap it too. The thing you are doing today is going to affect your daughters. Whatever thing you are doing today is going to affect your sons. Whatever thing you are doing today is going to affect your brothers. For whosoever that is supporting that evil, that atrocities. For whosoever that is supporting that abomination, you are supporting her to tie her husband. Whether for fun, whether for good purpose or whatever. Why are you tying your man? You want to tie your man. It's a fight against nature. Whenever you want to manipulate somebody's spirit, because it's manipulation, spiritual manipulation, if you don't know. That was spiritual manipulation. You want to manipulate somebody's spirit to do whatever thing you wish. You are here now abusing village people, abusing witches and wizards, calling them names, calling evil people. But you are one of the evil that is supporting evildoers. Law of karma is going to, we never have mercy for you. Law of karma is going to fall on you. You are tying somebody's son to do your wish. It's a spell. If you don't know, that is a spell. You are casting a spell on somebody's son, on somebody's spirit, on somebody's soul. And you are glorifying it, calling it a name. Because it's your fellow woman. Because it's your fellow woman. The only medicine that you use to tie your man is good character. It's respect. Respect. Tomorrow night, she may come out to tell you, oh yeah, buy pot. Because I've went through her page to see the ones that I've not seen. Oh yeah, buy pot. Oh yeah, put it like this. Oh yeah, buy rope. Oh yeah, go and buy alligator pepper. Oh yeah, buy tom-tom. Oh yeah, buy this. Oh yeah, bring granite oil. Oh yeah, bring olive oil. Oh yeah, bring red clothes. Oh yeah, bring your husband picture. Oh yeah, bring needle. Or you point it, or you pierce it, or you call the name of your husband 7 times, or you begin to tie it, or you begin to say whatever thing, but don't use it for evil. You are tying somebody and say that you are not using it for evil. What do you know? What is evil? Tomorrow she will come out on social media to tell you people to bring your husband picture, to bring pots, to put it down, or you bring your husband, or you call his name 7 times, or you begin to tie it, or you begin to say something, but don't use it for evil. I am now asking you. Asking you. What do you know that is evil? What are the evil things that you know? Tying somebody is not evil. It's for good purpose. And you people are glorifying it. You people are saying a whole lot of things. Hey, she is good. That is good. That is our husband. Is nothing. I will do that. Men don't used to hear word. Men are cheaters. You are tying somebody's son. And I believe that the husband's family are seeing those things going on social media. The family of this young man are seeing these things going on social media. And they kept quiet. If you are supporting evil, resist. Whenever you see evil and support it, you are part and parcel of that evil. Whatever cause that is going to go to the person that committed that atrocity is going to come back to you too. If they are punishing the person that committed that evil, they are going to punish you too. Because you saw that evil and you did not correct it. You did not tell the person that this thing is evil. You will not allow anybody to do it to your brother. Will you allow anybody to do this thing to your son or your brother? Will you allow anybody to do this thing to your... Will you allow your son for good? I am asking this question publicly. Answer me. I want ladies to answer me this. I want our women, my followers, to answer me this thing. Will you allow any woman to tie your son for good? Will you? I am not seeing their comment. I am asking. Will you allow anybody to tie your son for good? Not for evil, but for good. For good. And you are agitating and supporting your fellow woman to tie somebody's son. Kama. Kama. Kama is not sleeping. Kama. Karma is going to fall on you. Why are you supporting evil? You want to protect your man. Who told you that how to protect your man is tying him down? You want to protect your man from other ladies. You want to tie your husband down. You want to make your husband answerable to every of your wish. Whatever evil you are wishing any human being is going to affect you, affect your children. If it's true, if that thing is not a content, if that thing is not for content, for fun, that man is inside. What is inside that pot? That man don't know what he's doing anymore. If that thing is not for content. Why will you people be supporting evil? Social media has misled our women, misled so many families that got divorces because of social media. Relationship therapists and the relationship advisors, they are everywhere. You are looking for role model. You did not see your mother to choose as a role model. You came to social media to choose somebody as your role model. Somebody is teaching you now how to tie your husband. For good purpose. For good purpose. What is for good purpose? I want to know. You want to tie your husband for good purpose. What is that good purpose that you are tying your man for? For good purpose. You are tying somebody's spirit. You are tying somebody's soul. You are making somebody to be mumu for good purpose. Oh. I will make you be mumu for good purpose. What are you people agitating for? What are you people fighting for? What are you people protecting on this social media? If you know Angela Nwosu, go and advise her to delete that video. It's going to kill her reputation. Because of giveaway, so many people are supporting any evil thing that they see online. Giveaway. If you know her, go and tell her to delete that video. You people may be ranting on social media and something will be going on the husband's village. This is the work of Umuada back in the days. Umuada, because you people are saying that tradition favored only men. Tradition favored only men. Umuada this is the term they used to showcase. That is when you will see, they tell you that Umuada chased somebody's wife out of the village. That will be the time they will tell you that Umuada sent somebody's wife packing. The husband will be saying, I leave my wife. Oh, they will be beating the husband. Oh yeah, come and sit down. You are leaving our brother. This is the work of Umuada. But today, some of them are supporting evil. That is why so many people will not bear children. That is why so many people will not get husband. That's why so many people's prayer will not be answered. Because you see evil and you support evil. You see evil and you support evil because it doesn't concern you. Many of you know that thing is not good, though. But because you don't want anybody to attack your comment, that's why you comment. Oh, God, ride on, mama. Oh, ride on. Hey, oh, you are very good. Oh, that is very fine. Fantastic. Hey, every man deserves this. Oh, please teach us, teach us. You know that you are not going to do it, though. But you are supporting her. When she see like 10 comments condemning that thing, she's going to change. But you all are supporting her, telling her to ride on. That is good. It's good for her. Fantastic. Oh, do it here. It's good. You carry on. Oh, keep on the good work. She will be planning another evil she's going to do online. She's selling blue eyes. And it's not only her. I want to ask you, my blue eyes are on Najeme. Kedu ko si alu olu? Achọ m ka mmagodu ko si alu olu. Maka na una amaro. Your mother did not use all these things. Our foremothers did not use all these things. But today, ogabagola anya afia. Who we say? So some ge ehue. Nfu onye kpọ masị. I am the protector of tradition. Nchewele. Blue eyes. Jigida giye wonuhu. It's going to backfire you, my sister. You that it's evil. It's going to backfire you. It has a great repercussion. That is, you are going to cry tomorrow or next tomorrow. If you have those things, just pray that the thing will not work. What will be the work of the thing? Somebody that doesn't want to somebody that you have been asking for help and the person did not help you. Somebody that you have been asking to give you money. Maybe the person did not have money or the person has money and don't want to help you. You now go and do sham. You never believe that blue eyes is sham. You never believe that blue eyes is love potion. It's love. It's a love attraction. You never believe on that. You never believe that Nchewele is a magical charm. You never believe on that. When you use that Ncha or when you use that blue eyes, it will now go and make the spirit of the person to do against his wish. The blue eyes or the blue eyes or the what do they call it? The blue eyes or the Nchewele or the Jigida or the Kayamata will now penetrate into the person's soul. Will now penetrate into the person's heart and make the person to do against his or her wish. The person will now go and give you money that he has been keeping for something else that he doesn't want to spend. The money that he saved for a particular thing, he will now use it and give to you because you have used blue eyes on him. Because you have used Nchewele on him. And you are believing that is good. It's tradition. It's never tradition, my dear. That is part of sham. That is part of sham. For people selling Nchewele online, they did not see anybody to tell them. I am not telling you. It's charm, it has great repercussion. It's going to affect you that is using it. It's going to affect you that is using it. Potaba na kaya mata, potaba na nche ewele. Anything love attraction, leave it. Love is not, let me tell you things you cannot fight. You cannot, first greatest spirit is a human being. Soul, somebody's soul. If you kill any soul, it's going to hurt you forever. That is one. Second is love. Love. If you try to fight love, if you are a native doctor or as a wine, and somebody come to your place and tell you that his brother fell in love with one kind person, that he want you to separate the love of that two people. Once you do it and they tend to walk, count yourself that your work is going to scatter. The spirit that is helping you to do the work is going to leave you. Never you in your life fight love. Never you in your life do work for somebody to love somebody without his wish. That is wishes and wizard work. Olu amosu ka obu. Ina achọ onye lile amosu mo nke wa lile amosu. Ina ekechi nwa mmadu. If you are a dibia or as a wine and somebody brought useless woman that the woman does turn, because they will use this method. They will tell you that that my brother is no more remembering our mother. That my brother is no more greeting our mother. Is no more sending anything home. This woman used charm to tie him. This woman used charm to tie him. This woman used charm to chase him out of our family. He is no more remembering home. I want you to separate them. Any work of separation of two people that is in love, run. No. Any work of separation of two people in love, run. No, is going to eat your head. Okay, look who is it. Once you finally did it, it's going to fight you. Love. Never you in your life fight love. Never you in your life fight love. Never you in your life fight love. Once you fight love, once you want somebody to love you, you do something for somebody to love you. The native doctor that did it for you is in trouble. You that brought your money to do it is in trouble. Anybody that supported this is in trouble. The love is going to fight you all. Be very, 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 very careful. Be very, 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 very careful. You all that has been supporting that thing. I don't blame you people, because maybe you did not see anybody that said it. I am the person that said it. I did not hide my face. Share the video. Let it get to her. Let it get to anybody that's supposed to hear it. In fact, mention her name. Tell Angela and Nwosu to delete that video. It doesn't speak good of her and our tradition. That is not the way of tradition. That is not how Angela and Nwosu started. Mention her name. If you don't know how to tell her that I said, mention her name so that she will watch this video. Tell her that I said that she should go and delete that video. That it doesn't speak good of her. I am not forcing her. I am only advising her to go and delete the video. It's not by force. If she does not see any reason with me, she should keep it there. It doesn't speak good of our tradition. It doesn't speak good of her. It doesn't speak of good of Igbo people in that social media. You will never see any Yoruba woman to come and teach something like that on social media. That's why people are calling us all sorts of names. Many tribes are condemning us, calling us all sorts of names. Yoruba people believed that anybody that come to our place that will use the person for Ogwego because of what they watch in Nollywood. And now Angela Nwosu is now telling them that is good. Their mentality is that what they are saying about Igbos are correct. That we used to tie their husband. That Igbo women used to tie their husband. Is now teaching it online. Please mention her name and tell her to delete that video. Delete the video. Every of your wish will never come true. It's not every of your wish that will come true. You are mortal. Anybody that doesn't love you, leave the person. Anybody that doesn't love you, leave the person. Stop forcing love. I am telling you that is hearing me today. Don't fight to break love. Don't fight for somebody to love you. Love is going to come back for you. Very bad. Love is going to come back for you. Very, very bad. Doctor, in your husband, I want to know it. What are the good purpose of tying your husband down? I want to know it. What are the good purpose? Onye ọbụla ekechile ekechi nwere ike isi ebe ahụ bullying beside. O nwere nwoke ọ ga-abịa ike si eke nwoke ahụ ada stroke. Maka ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke amara ibe na-adaba stroke. O nwere nwoke ọ ga-abịa ikechi sie nwoke ahụ ada stroke. O nwere nwoke ọ ga-abịa ikechi sie ọ paralyze ya na mmụọ ebe ọ bụla ọ na-eme ayasa ka ọ wee fụ gị n'anya. Ọ fụ gị n'anya ka mumu. Ọ na-eme okpokpo. Ọ na-eme okpokpo. Ikechi na nwa mmadụ ekechi. Ọ bụ na ọ lọvụrụ gị nya jewe. Ihe abụ onye lọvụrụ ga another man food bụ another man poison. Ime n'ibe na ga-eji wee lọvụ gị dịka nwanne m nwaanyị kwuru. Ofu nwanne anyị nwaanyị ewepụrụ kịta. Ọ sị gị mee n'ibe na ga-eji wee lọvụ gị. Ije na-eje ekechi maka na ikechie nwa mmadụ na ya ekechikwa nwa gị. Ife ọ bụ na imelu nwa mmadụ a ga-eme gị ya. Onye dị n'ichi eze bịa onye chi na-azọ nya na-azọ onwe ya. Ife dị mma meelụ gị. Ka emesịa.
Ekene Igbo niile kene ihe na-ejere Igbo ozi biko asị m ka onye chenya zere biko nyela ya aka na agbasa ozi ya subscribe kwa na this channel subscribe chegbe notification gị egbe icha itinye aka na the comment section comment ya like kwa na this post ka enwere mgbe ọzọ kenekwa mụ kene ihe na-ejere Igbo ozi.